Hi everyone, I'm here with another new airdrop. This one is calling PEGASU network. And I will show you how to collect 400,000 PEGAs. The first thing you must do, open your Trust Wallet. Go to your dapp browser. From description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Smartchain network. We see here that this will be listing on Pancakeswap in 21 days. Now click this, claim PEG. Now click this. We see here that is a little bit higher in price than other airdrops, and the fee is very small. So if you choose to go for this airdrop, just click here to approve and wait a few seconds to see the transaction is okay. I will not approve this because I already have this token in my wallet. So if transaction is okay, you go back and scroll to see here. You can click here to Binance Smartchain scan to get contract address for the token. We see here how much total supply is, how much holder, and how many transfer was made. So we scroll down and we go here, and you can copy and paste it from here. I will put the contract address in the description below. So you go back to your wallet. Now click wallet. Click this to add token. And now you can copy from Binance Smart Chain scan or from description below and paste it in here to see if the token is already added. We see that is not, so we must click this add custom token. Now don't forget to change this to Binance Smart Chain network. And now just click this, paste. We see here that we must add our self name, symbol, and decimal. So you can watch this video and everything will be down in the description, and just copy and paste it in here. Now click this, and we see we add the token in our wallet, and we see PEGASU token in our wallets. If you like my video, subscribe and hit that thumb up button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next airdrop.